Hey kids, Hugh here for Roaddogs.com with another quick look. Have you ever visited the Heritage Square Museum? Located along the 110 freeway on your way to Pasadena in the Montecito Heights neighborhood of Los Angeles. It is home to some really good examples of Victorian architecture. Because of the rapid development taking place in the 1960s and the destruction of many historic buildings, a group of prominent citizens and the Los Angeles Cultural Heritage Board began planning a place to preserve some of these historic treasures. The Cultural Heritage Foundation of Southern California Incorporated was formed in order to solicit public funds, and a site was chosen. I first came here in the early 1980s, and it was a far cry from what it is today. Buildings were just getting set up and restored. And while today it is still under development, it has many finished buildings showcasing the beautiful architecture of the Victorian age. Located at the Avenue 43 exit, or exit number 27 of the 110 freeway, it is open on Saturdays and Sundays from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Come and spend a couple of hours here. It is a beautiful and relaxing place. You'll be glad you did. For more information and links to the site, visit roaddogs.com and hit the Quick Looks link. So that's all I have for you today. This is Hugh for Road Dogs. See ya.